everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're setting our sights on a legend, the 2025 BMW M5. This isn't your average sedan, it's a high-performance machine that blends luxury with raw power. The first thing that grabs you is the aggressive stance. The iconic BMW kidney grille gets a bold redesign, flanked by sleek LED headlights that pierce the night. From the side, the M5 boasts a muscular shoulder line and flowing curves that hint at its athleticism. The rear is all business, with a diffuser for improved aerodynamics and stylish taillights that leave a lasting impression. It's a design that screams power and sophistication in equal measure. Now, slip inside the M5's cabin, and you're greeted with a luxurious haven. Top-notch materials like merino leather drape the seats, while everything you touch feels built to last. But it's not just about plush comfort. The driver-centric cockpit puts all the controls at your fingertips, with a beautifully crafted steering wheel and a fully digital instrument cluster displaying all the vital information. A massive touchscreen infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained, while a panoramic sunroof lets you enjoy the open air when you're cruising. Alright, let's talk about the features that make the M5 an M-car. Under the hood lies a powerhouse, a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that pumps out a staggering amount of horsepower. We're talking about neck-snapping acceleration that will pin you back in your seat when you hit the gas. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 M5 is its ability to adapt. It's a car that can be a monster on the track and a comfortable daily driver. Different driving modes allow you to customize the car's personality. Want a thrilling ride? Put it in sport mode. Need a smooth commute? Opt for comfort. The M5 truly caters to your needs. The 2025 BMW M5 is a car for those who demand the ultimate driving experience. It's a powerful, luxurious machine that turns heads wherever it goes. So, is the 2025 BMW M5 the right car for you? If you crave adrenaline-pumping power and a luxurious cabin, then this might just be your dream ride. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.